3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
In this video, I'll show you how to fix the unexpected client behavior error in Roblox. If you're experiencing this issue, follow these steps. First, open the command prompt by searching for it in the bottom left corner of your screen. Once it's open, type ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. Next, type ipconfig/release and press enter again, followed by ipconfig/renew and enter once more. After that, type exit to close the command prompt and then relaunch Roblox to see if the error is resolved. If that doesn't work, I'll just need to uninstall and reinstall Roblox. Type remove programs in the search box and click on add or remove programs. Search for Roblox and install all versions, including Roblox Studio. Then go to roblox.com and download the Windows app. Run the installer to reinstall Roblox, and once it's finished, try launching the game again. If you're still having trouble, you can clear the Roblox cache. Search for run in the bottom left corner and open it. Type present local app data, present, and press OK. Find the Roblox folder and delete it. This will help remove any temporary files causing the issue. After deleting the folder, relaunch Roblox, and you should be good to go. That's how to fix the unexpected client behavior error in Roblox. If this guide helped you, please like the video, subscribe. Thank you for watching.